Well, flooding caused big problems for thousands of homes and businesses across the state, but it also had an impact on several farmers. And a man in Faulkner County says now he's playing catch-up, doing his best to try to catch up. He tells caregiver Rochelle Turner he's got a long way to go. Rochelle.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right, Bob. Good evening to you. Joe Thrash says the rain was already a big problem, and when the flood came along, it just made things 10 times worse. Now he's trying to get back on track.
Corn planted here.
Joe Thrash enjoys being a farmer.
It's all I've ever known to do.
He has roughly 2,000 acres of pasture and row crop land in Faulkner County.
It keeps us busy.
But Mother Nature has forced Thrash to stay even busier.
We missed a corn crop and rice crop this year because of all the rain and flooding.
On top of that, part of his land is still underwater because it's right next to the Lolly levee that almost breached.
We got about 250 acres of soybeans planted out of 1,300 acres, so we've got a long way to go. This is something I've never had to do before.
He's also had to deal with flooding issues at his home and second farm in Perry County.
We have 200 acres of cropland over there, and all of that went underwater.
This video shows them using a tractor to feed his cows.
It's been a mess all over.
A mess that's causing him to work overtime.
It's put us behind a good month, and we should, if everything went well, we should be finished planting all of our crops right now.
For now, he's just focusing on a fresh start.
We're gonna make it though. We'll be here next year.
Thrash says it's hard to put a number on how much money he has lost because he says but he knows it's in the tens and thousands. He says once the water levels are back normal, he has to move cattle from his farm in Toadsuck back to Mayflower. Back to you.
Wow. Thanks, Rochelle.